7 surprising benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Welcome to a journey that's about so much more than just losing weight. It's about discovering the surprising, holistic benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Did you know that this diet is consistently ranked among the healthiest in the world? Yet, many overlook its deeper advantages, often overshadowed by myths of being too complex or limited in variety. The truth is, the Mediterranean diet is a celebration of rich flavors and time-honored traditions, stemming from the sun-drenched shores of Greece, Italy, and Spain. It's not just about what you remove from your plate, but what you add. Lush vegetables, heart-healthy fats, lean proteins, and an abundance of flavor. This diet isn't a trend. It's a sustainable, enjoyable path to wellness, cherished by generations and backed by science for its numerous health benefits. Today, let's dive into the heart of the Mediterranean lifestyle, explore its fundamental components, and unveil the incredible ways it can transform your health, from your brain to your bones. Stick with us as we uncover the secrets of longevity and vitality that this diet promises. Ready to be amazed? Number 1, enhances heart health. When we discuss the Mediterranean diet, one of its standout benefits is the remarkable impact it has on heart health. This isn't just about avoiding heart disease, it's about actively fostering a stronger, healthier heart through diet. At the core of this diet are heart-healthy fats, prominently found in olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These aren't merely tasty additions to meals, they play a crucial role in reducing levels of bad cholesterol. Lower cholesterol is directly linked to decreased risks of heart disease and stroke, providing a clear path to a healthier cardiovascular system. Olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats contribute to the reduction of heart disease risk factors by improving blood cholesterol levels and easing inflammation. Meanwhile, the omega-3 fatty acids present in fish do more than just fight inflammation. They also help decrease triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and reduce blood clotting. Together, these elements ensure that blood flows smoothly, reducing the strain on your heart. Beyond fats, the diet emphasizes whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, all of which contribute to heart health by providing essential nutrients and fibers. These components help manage blood pressure and prevent type 2 diabetes, a significant risk factor for heart disease. Adopting the Mediterranean diet means making a commitment to nourish your body with foods that enhance heart function and protect against cardiovascular problems. It's a proactive approach to health that not only extends your life, but improves the quality of every year. Isn't it time we took our heart health seriously by choosing foods that offer protection and vitality? This diet shows us that with every meal, we have an opportunity to positively influence our heart's health. Number 2, supports brain health. Diving into another profound benefit of the Mediterranean diet, let's explore how it champions brain health. It's not just what we eat that matters, but how what we eat supports our most vital organ, the brain. The Mediterranean diet is rich in foods that are not only good for the heart, but also incredibly beneficial for the brain. Key components like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish are packed with nutrients that our brains need to function optimally. For instance, the omega-3 fatty acids found in fish such as salmon and mackerel are crucial for maintaining brain cell structure and flexibility. This flexibility allows neurons to communicate more effectively, which is essential for overall cognitive function. Moreover, this diet includes a bounty of fruits and vegetables, which are high in antioxidants. These compounds combat oxidative stress that can damage brain cells, thus playing a role in the prevention of cognitive decline. By fighting off this stress, the diet helps preserve your memory and sharpness as you age. But that's not all. The diet's emphasis on whole grains and healthy fats helps regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar is important because fluctuations can affect your brain's performance and mood stability. Regular consumption of these brain-boosting foods also contributes to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Embracing the Mediterranean diet isn't just feeding your body, it's about feeding your brain the right ingredients to stay healthy and vibrant. As we age, maintaining brain health becomes just as important as physical health. Through this diet, we not only nourish our bodies, but also give our brains the nutrients needed to ensure mental acuity and emotional well-being. So, why not make choices that benefit both your heart and your mind? Number 3, aids in weight loss and management. When it comes to managing our weight, the choices we make at the dinner table can have a big impact. The Mediterranean diet is not only flavorful, but also incredibly effective for weight loss and management. Let's delve into how this diet helps you maintain a healthy weight, making you feel good both inside and out. The foundation of the Mediterranean diet is its emphasis on portion control and balance, incorporating an abundance of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are not only low in calories, but high in nutrients that help keep you satisfied and full longer. This natural satiety is a key component in weight management, as it curbs the common pitfall of overeating. Moreover, this diet is rich in dietary fiber, found in its whole grains and vegetables. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestion and prolongs the feeling of fullness after meals. It helps regulate the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check. This can prevent you from reaching for that unnecessary snack, which is often a hurdle in weight management. Another vital aspect is the healthy fats sourced from olive oil, nuts, and fish, which contribute not just to satiety, but also to the metabolic process. Unlike saturated fats, these healthy fats are more likely to be used as energy rather than being stored as body fat. Switching to the Mediterranean diet means adopting a lifestyle that promotes a healthy balance and natural control over your body weight. It's about making mindful choices that not only nourish you, but also support your weight management goals in a sustainable way. Whether you're looking to lose weight or maintain it, this diet offers a delicious and fulfilling path to achieving those aims, enhancing both your physical health and your confidence. Number 4, diabetes, prevention and control. Turning our focus towards a crucial health concern for many, let's discuss how the Mediterranean diet plays a pivotal role in the prevention and control of diabetes. This isn't just about avoiding sugar, it's about creating a balanced lifestyle that supports stable blood sugar levels. The Mediterranean diet is celebrated not only for its flavors, but also for its balanced approach to meals, which is particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or at risk of developing it. Central to this diet are whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, all of which have a low glycemic index. This means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods, which is key in preventing the blood sugar spikes that are a concern for diabetic patients. What's more, the healthy fats in this diet derived from olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish contribute to insulin sensitivity. Good insulin sensitivity reduces the risk of insulin resistance, which is a major factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. By incorporating these fats into your diet, you're not just enjoying a tasty meal, you're also helping your body regulate blood sugar more effectively. Additionally, the fiber-rich components of the Mediterranean diet aid in blood sugar control. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and the absorption of sugar, helping to keep blood glucose levels stable. This can be a game changer for those looking to manage their diabetes or stave off its development. Embracing the Mediterranean diet means more than just enjoying delicious food. It's about making a commitment to your long-term health. By choosing foods that naturally regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, you're taking a proactive step towards preventing and managing diabetes. This diet isn't just a way of eating. It's a pathway to a healthier, more balanced life, empowering you to take control of your health with every meal. Number 5, promotes longevity. Now let's explore a truly inspiring aspect of the Mediterranean diet, its potential to enhance longevity. Embracing this diet is about much more than enjoying a delicious meal. It's about investing in a longer, healthier life. One of the most compelling aspects of the Mediterranean diet is how it aligns with the lifestyles of some of the world's longest living populations. These communities often share common dietary habits found in the Mediterranean diet, such as a high consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, all of which are linked to reduced risks of chronic diseases. But what exactly about this diet helps us live longer? First, the antioxidants found in the plentiful fruits and vegetables help fight against oxidative stress and inflammation, two major culprits behind aging and chronic disease. By regularly consuming these antioxidant-rich foods, you're not just nourishing your body, you're actively protecting it from the cellular damage that can lead to premature aging. Moreover, the heart-healthy fats from olive oil and fatty fish do more than just protect your cardiovascular health. They also contribute to improved metabolic health, which is vital as we age. These fats help maintain cell integrity and function, supporting overall vitality and wellness. Furthermore, the diet encourages a moderate consumption of wine, particularly red wine, which is famous for containing resveratrol, a compound that has been linked to increased longevity. Of course, this is about moderation, as too much alcohol can have adverse effects. Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your life means choosing a path that not only enhances the quality of your life, but potentially extends it. It's about making choices that respect your body's needs, promoting not just longevity, but a life filled with vigor and joy. Every meal becomes a step toward a longer, healthier future, and that's a powerful choice to make. Number 6, reduces risk of cancer. Today, let's address a critical benefit of the Mediterranean diet that resonates deeply with many: its potential to reduce the risk of cancer. This is about more than just eating well. It's about actively taking steps to protect ourselves against one of the most daunting health challenges. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, all of which are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients. These substances are not just buzzwords, they play a significant role in shielding our cells from damage. Cancer often begins when cellular damage goes unchecked, leading to mutations and abnormal growth. By consuming a diet high in protective antioxidants, we equip our bodies with the tools to fight off this damage before it can lead to serious problems. Moreover, the diet's emphasis on healthy fats, particularly those from olive oil and fish, contributes to this protective effect. These fats help reduce inflammation in the body, a known risk factor for cancer. Chronic inflammation can create an environment conducive to cancer development. So by reducing inflammation, we're cutting off one pathway through which cancer could potentially take hold. The diet also promotes a healthy weight, further decreasing cancer risk. Excess body weight is linked to several types of cancer, and maintaining a balanced diet full of nutrient-rich, whole foods can help manage weight effectively. Embracing the Mediterranean diet means you're not just choosing a way of eating, you're choosing a way of life that prioritizes your long-term health. Each meal is an opportunity to decrease your cancer risk, offering peace of mind that you're doing something proactive to protect your health. It's a deeply empowering feeling, knowing that with every bite, you're potentially extending your life and enhancing its quality. This is a profound way to care for yourself and those you love, one meal at a time. Number 7, improves bone health. Let's dive into another vital aspect of the Mediterranean diet: its benefits for bone health. Keeping our bones healthy is crucial, especially as we age, and the choices we make at the table can play a significant role in maintaining bone strength and durability. The Mediterranean diet is particularly beneficial for bones because it's rich in calcium and vitamin D, two essential nutrients that are the building blocks of strong bones. These nutrients work in tandem. Calcium strengthens the bones, while vitamin D ensures that calcium is effectively absorbed by the body. One of the key components of this diet that supports bone health is the consumption of dairy products like yogurt and cheese, which are excellent sources of calcium. Additionally, the diet includes plenty of leafy greens such as kale and spinach, which also contribute significant amounts of calcium. Moreover, the diet encourages regular consumption of fatty fish, such as sardines and salmon, which are among the few natural food sources of vitamin D. Regular exposure to sunlight, which is common in Mediterranean regions, naturally boosts vitamin D levels as well, complementing dietary intake. But there's more to bone health than just calcium and vitamin D. The diet's high intake of magnesium, found in nuts and seeds, and its emphasis on fruits and vegetables, which provide potassium and vitamin K, also contribute to maintaining bone density. These nutrients work together to prevent bone demineralization and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures later in life. Adopting the Mediterranean diet is about nurturing the body holistically, by choosing foods that are not only delicious, but also packed with bone-supporting nutrients. You're taking a proactive step towards a stronger, healthier future. It's a comforting thought, knowing that each meal is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a shield for your bones. In today's discussion, we've explored the remarkable benefits of the Mediterranean diet, ranging from enhancing heart and brain health to aiding in weight management, reducing diabetes risk, promoting longevity, lowering cancer risks, and improving bone health. Each meal within this diet isn't just food. It's fuel that nurtures the body, mind, and bones, contributing to an overall healthier, more vibrant life. Embracing the Mediterranean diet can transform your health in ways you might not have imagined. Whether it's incorporating more olive oil and nuts into your diet, enjoying the fresh catch of the day, or simply choosing more fruits and vegetables, each small step can lead to significant health benefits. I encourage you to try integrating some of these Mediterranean principles into your own meals. Share your experiences and any favorite recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire each other towards healthier living, one delicious meal at a time.